All right, so guys, I'm gonna go ahead and get this recording started. And this right here is about finding cheap flights. Google Flights. I was supposed to do the last week, y'all, but I got so busy, so I do apologize for the delay. But I'm here now, and we're gonna find how to do how to get these cheap flights, guys, on Google Flights. So Google Flights is something that something that anybody can find. You don't have to be a travel agent. You can be a regular consumer and book on Google Flights. But this is a tool that us travel agents use to be able to find cheap flights for ourselves to go with our vacation packages and our discounts and perks. So I'm gonna click on find cheap flights on Google Flights. And so well, I'm gonna start at first. So if you want to like find a weekend vacation, so what you're gonna do is click on Explore. And once you click on Explore, this is where the different prices in different cities are gonna come up. So if you want to go to, okay, so this right here is 1 week trip in the next 6 months. So you're gonna click right here in order to find the weekend prices. So you got the weekend prices, you got the 1 week prices, you got the 2 weeks prices, and you got the different months up here. So you can find it up for the next 6 months. Like you do February, if you're looking for somewhere to go in February, looking for somewhere to go in March, April, May, June, July. So we're just gonna pick April, and we're gonna do the weekend, and then you hit done. And so if you want to keep Birmingham up here, if you leave from Birmingham, or you want to leave from Atlanta, which I'll change it out in a minute. So you see right here, I got leaving from Birmingham, weekend trip in April. So for April the 4th through the 6th weekend to Las Vegas from Birmingham, it's 106 round trip. No, it's not. Lord have mercy. It's 218 round trip, but they got the room that this room thing throwing me off. So it's 218 round trip to Las Vegas for Birmingham. And that's pretty good for Birmingham because Birmingham be high on a what? So 6 hours and 25-minute flight. It is one stop. And then if you want to go to Orlando for a weekend trip, leaving from Birmingham, April 11th through the 13th, round trip nonstop is 171. Denver is basically $200 round trip, weekend trip. They got Los Angeles in here, 373. They got two stops. So I'm gonna go back up here and put Atlanta. I know Atlanta for us people that stay in Birmingham is always cheaper. Man, we can go to New York April the 16th through the 19th for the weekend for $56 from Atlanta, nonstop trip, round trip. That is crazy. Miami, April 11th through the 13th, $57 nonstop. Part way. Fort Lauderdale from Atlanta, $57 round trip nonstop. Washington D.C. Want to do a Washington D.C. trip, weekend trip, $56 round trip. Orlando, $60. Walt Disney World Resort. What's the difference between Walt Disney World and Resort in Orlando? I have no clue why they separated them like that, but it's $60 round trip. Las Vegas, 157. That's really not a big difference from Birmingham price. So you can also make sure that you know prices from the different airports that you fly from. Zion National Park, 157. If you want to take a trip to Austin, Texas, it's $80 round trip nonstop from Atlanta. Baltimore, $56. That's crazy. Miami, $57 from Atlanta. This April 11th through the 13th. So it's really affordable to take those weekend vacations or weekend vacations to help you grow your business. Philadelphia, $88. April the 2nd through the 5th. $88 round trip. That's crazy. Chicago. A lot of people love going to Chicago on day trips. 108. Tampa, April the 9th through the 13th, $60, y'all. New Orleans, April 11th through the 13th, $119. So, yeah, it's nice. So I'm gonna go back up. and do I mean, that's really what I want to show y'all, though. Weekend trips. Let me see. Let's just do a regular, just, oh yeah, at the top, make sure that you have it on flexible dates. If you have on specific dates, like you just be able to choose your specific dates from that specific city where you want to go. But you put on the flexible dates, that's when you're going to find the next 6 months and then the other different months and the weekend trips and the 1 week and the 2 weeks. So that's very, very important. So let's put on, so you put on specific dates, the price is supposed to pop up with, no, they're not gonna pop up because I don't have anything for them to pop up to. So let's just say Atlanta to Miami. This Saturday, April 11th through the 13th, but that's not what I'm trying to do. Hold on, go back. Okay, so let's just say that you know where you want to go and you're looking for your flight. So let's go back up and click on flights. So take it off Explore and click on flights. So I don't know that I said it at the beginning, but make sure that you click on Explore so that you can get these different prices down here at the bottom, the weekend, the 6 month, the 1 week, the 2 week. But to look for a regular flight, make sure you click on flights. If you know where you're going and your dates, and then that's when you're gonna put in a round trip, one way, multi-seat, and how many people, and what you want, economy, basic, etc. So this right here, leaving from Atlanta, we're gonna leave from Atlanta. We're gonna go to Miami, and then you're gonna put in your different dates for the date that you desire. But you can also look at it, y'all, and you can leave going to Miami from Atlanta for $49 round trip, and that's February 25th. In March, the cheapest I see is $56. Then April, $56. So we just click on April 15th, and coming back April 17th. Then hit done. So the cheapest round trip flight from Atlanta to Miami, April the 15th through the 17th, it's $57 round trip Frontier. Now we do get free bags with Spirit if you have done your training, your Orlando training. And it's $67 round trip. So they be $67 round trip and a free bag. And then use your travel agent discounts for a room. So y'all, it's really dope and cheap. So now the next thing I want to show you guys. I know Danielle on hers, she was showing the international stuff. I don't travel international, so I'm not gonna show that. But you can come back here and play with it, and get your international do the international flights under Explore. So I'm gonna go to Travel Pirates because I do know that she pulled Travel Pirates up, and this is how she compare her trips. And she'll go in here and she'll look up the flights and the different hotels and compare it from ours to this one back here. I have not done it before, but this is a great tool that you can come back here and play with it. You can even book some trips back here. I mean, who's gonna know? Book some trips back here and use them if they're cheaper than our discounts. But if they're not cheaper than our discounts, then make sure that you book with our preferred vendors and get paid commission. Okay. So come back here and play with this as well because I can't go over this into debt because I haven't used it before. But I did want to just show y'all how I look, and this is what Danielle had went over as well. They got Italy up here from 351 for flights. Dublin, I think I said it right. Dublin. Mm-hmm. Nationwide flights to San Juan, Puerto Rico, 174. So y'all just come back here and play with it. So this is one of the ones that she was talking about, Travel Pirates. I'm trying to get that recording from her. See, can I put it on our YouTube channel that we have. Skyscanner, she did talk about Skyscanner, how you can compare cheap flights, and keep up with them. They'll send you alerts for if it's a flight change. They'll send you the alert on it. So make sure y'all definitely check out Skyscanner. And I'm going to go to the group and show you guys how to find the flights apps to put your flight on layaway. So if you go to our Travel Dynasty group, guys, go to our, let me see, I'm on my tablet, so I'm still learning this thing. Go to the Travel Dynasty group. I think Director in Training, my Nitra went over this last night, how to navigate our group was much needed. But this is where there's a lot of our information is located at. So you go to the top and you click on the search bar, and like if you're looking for anything like flights, the Clear Car, Amtrak, homes, cabins, go up here and click on the search bar and type it in, and you should find some type of training or some information on what you're looking for. But we are looking for flights right now. Should put flights on that way. But you put flights, all the flights that everything that we talk about, flights, is gonna pop up. Training that she did, Danielle, Coach Danny did. But I am looking for the layaway flights that we got back here. I had a training on here, but you have to find cheap flights on Google Flights, but Facebook took it off. Some of they don't have room. I don't know what they were talking. So somebody actually asked a good question in the group about Google Flights. Can we submit those and get commission? No, we cannot. Like I said, this is for everybody to find. It's a tool. Let's see. And I had a training in here how to do a vacation using Google Flights, Resort Pass, and Viator. So I'm had to go back and like redo all these trainings, guys, because vacations, because Facebook has took a lot of our trainings out of here because they're saying that they can only last for 30 days. So right here, down here, flight layaway options. You can use these apps to lay away your flights. Affordable, Alternative Airlines. I actually used Alternative Airlines before in paylatertravel.com. So these are the 1, 2, 3. These are 4 of them that you can use to put your flights on layaway, y'all. So I didn't want to be on here long at all. I just wanted to go over a little bit this morning before I get my day started on doing other things. So y'all make sure y'all come in here and utilize our group, utilize the different trainings that we have in place. We do have a YouTube channel now that I put that we are going to be downloading the different trainings on. And so that's why most of them are going to be on our Zoom so that we can download them on YouTube. So thank y'all so much. Make sure y'all catch this recording. And make sure y'all catch the recording and use the different tools that we have in place for you guys. Make sure y'all register for Centrail.com because we do get flight commissions, and we can actually add our commission on Centrail. Oh. So this is what I wanted to show you guys really quick. Thank y'all so much, and y'all have an amazing rest of your day. Learning how to do this. Hey, Kim. Make sure you try Kim, girl. Stop this thing.